What's up guys, and welcome back to another video. Before we get into this video, I just want to say that I did title this for basically all older trucks, I should say, but I am showing you a bunch of, I guess, Ranger modifications in this video. But a lot of it can apply to older trucks that aren't Rangers, so let's go ahead and jump right into it. So I just want to go over some cheap mods you can do to your truck for under $100. The first one I'm going to start off with is, I mean, none of these are really mods, I guess you could say, but it's going to be a short antenna. Get rid of that big tall one that's taller than your truck. A short one. I don't use the radio, so I don't know if it interferes at all. I always use my phone. I hook it right up to, I guess I would say CarPlay, but I use Android. So Android Auto. But yeah, I picked that up for like 30 bucks on Amazon. Now, another thing you can do to your truck that is fairly cheap is going to be changing out your headlights. You have old ones in there that are all yellow. They don't work the best. Go ahead and get yourself some new headlights. Now, these aren't under $100, but they do make plenty of headlights for my truck that are under 100 bucks. I just opted for the more expensive version because I wanted the cooler look. But don't get me wrong, there are plenty of cool ones out there. I was going to get the black housing headlights. They're about 70 bucks on eBay, but I did get these for a little bit more than that. Also, your fog lights goes along with headlights. You can get some cheap ones on eBay. I think they're like 50 bucks on eBay for this truck. I definitely need some. That one isn't too bad. This one over here, this one's getting all hazed up, so maybe a new video coming in the future, so look out for that. But yeah, definitely get rid of your stock headlights. Upgrade to some clear ones. Like I said, they have black housing. You can get factory style, or you can spend a little bit extra money and get some cool ones like these. This is why these are so cool. Yeah, those look good. Alrighty, moving on to the back of the truck. Taillights. I picked these up off eBay for I think $60. I think they were less than 60 bucks. So yeah, definitely pick up some new taillights if you want them to change the look of your truck. Like I said, 60 bucks for these. They do have more expensive ones, which I didn't really want to do the modern look on this truck, on the rear end at least. The front, yes, but the rear, I wanted to keep it somewhat stock because I'm always making my vehicles look completely different than stock, and I wanted to keep a stock look with the taillights and just keep them smoked. Same with the third brake light. I picked this one up for about 20 bucks, but I guess that's not really keeping it stock. But 20 bucks, it looks cool. It's smoked to match the taillights. I had to get a third brake light to match the taillights. I hate when you have smoked taillights and your third brake light's still red. It just does not look right to me. So yeah, 60 bucks for those taillights. And third brake light was 20 bucks. So another cheap way to make your truck look a little bit better than factory is going to be replacing your stock emblems. That's actually coming loose. Well, that's eBay stuff for you. Actually, I think I got those off Amazon. But yeah, the factory Ford emblems on this truck are supposed to be blue. All the blue is peeled off this truck when I bought it, so I figured I'd upgrade it, black it out. I think I picked these up for 20 bucks a piece. I can't honestly remember, but I got one for the back and one for the front. But as you guys can see, I have the Raptor grille installed, so completely eliminated that emblem. And now it just says Ford. Looks way better this way, in my opinion. Another way to make your truck look cool for under $100, LED reverse lights. I picked these up off Amazon. I don't really go with like those name brand things. Hey, you got to get these lights or they're gonna stop working. I just tried these off Amazon. They were 20 bucks, 30 bucks, I think. It might have been cheaper. But yeah, they're super bright. I've had them in there for a year and a half. I've had no problems with them. They don't flicker or anything, and they are super bright at night when you're backing up. So highly recommend getting some LED reverse lights. Speaking of LED lights, I have LED headlights. Obviously both sides. I picked those up for 30 bucks on Amazon. Like I said, no flickering. They work fantastic. They're super bright at night. Just make sure you aim your headlights correctly when you replace them, because you will blind other drivers. I also have the matching fog lights. So those are also LED, same brand as the headlights. And those are super bright as well. For the turn signal slash running light, or parking light I mean, I bought some switchback LEDs. I don't remember the brand, but those are also 20, 30 bucks. And those are actually super bright at night. So LEDs, gotta have the LEDs. Especially when I put my turn signal on, you can see it just blinking off everything. Absolutely love that. I'm gonna go ahead and unlock my truck. I don't know why I locked it. Oh, I was showing you guys something, that's why. And we'll go ahead and turn these on so you can see what everything looks like. Fog lights. Fog lights won't come on because the truck's not on. But those are the LEDs. Not sure if the camera picks it up too well, but they are super bright. Then if I put a turn signal on, you can see that those parking lights are switchbacks. Truck's not on, so I'll have to use hazards. You can see they are now blinking amber. Yep, that looks really cool. So definitely get yourself some LEDs. Alright, let's turn this off before I kill my battery. And I'll see if I can get you guys a video of the reverse lights. So definitely get yourself some of those. Really helps at night when backing up. Now that the truck's on, I can show you the turn signals. So we'll go to this side first to show you the parking light. And that's what it looks like when you put the turn signal on. Pretty cool. Anyways guys, that is going to be the end of this video. Hope you guys did enjoy. And I hope this was useful for you so you can start modifying your older truck. Let me know in the comments below what trucks you guys have and what you plan on installing. And yeah, I'd love to read them, and I'll say hey back, and thanks for watching. So make sure you like, subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Mr. Turtle, you probably shouldn't be in the road, buddy. He'll be all right because it's not a busy road here.